Hey guys! In this video we will learn about how to make a professional CV or resume. So please don't skip and be contact with this video till the end. By the end of this video I will also provide you the sample resume format. That will be helpful for you to make the professional resume. Let's start by choosing the right resume format. Key points. A professional resume helps the recruiters to make the right decision to invite the candidate for interview. Your resume is a short but concise introduction about yourself. Your resume is the first impression about your education, skills, experience and even your personality. So that, all the content in the resume should be formal. Difference between CV and resume. First of all we will try to find out what is the difference between CV and resume. There is no big difference between them. Even most of the cases these two words are interchangeable. But however the difference is there. A CV stands for curriculum vitae, is a summary document of your education, work experience and skills. While the resume also contains the similar content but mostly relevant to the job post. One more difference is that a resume is a 1 to 2 page document but a CV is comparatively a longer document than resume. Your CV or resume should have the following sections. 1. Your personal information. 2. Contact information. 3. Education detail. 4. Skills and expertise. 5. Previous work experience. 6. Languages. You should take care about the following things during resume writing. 1. Your full name should be on the top and prominent. 2. In the contact information, you should provide correct phone number, email and address. 3. You can also add website and social links if you have. 4. Your higher degree or certificate should mention first and then others respectively. 5. You should describe about your skills and expertise in short. 6. Work experience is the major section to get a job. Use bullet points to talk about your previous work experience. 7. Languages also important in jobs. Describe your languages and level of expert in them. Note, your resume can as long as required. How to format a CV or resume. 1. Set 1-inch margins on all 4 sides. 2. Line spacing should be 1.15 and keep it uniform throughout the document. 3. Add an extra line space before and after each section heading. 4. Date format should be uniform. It is recommended like January 02th 2018. 5. Don't use photos on your resume. 6. Font size of content should be 11 pints and headings 12 pints bold. What should be the file format of CV or resume? Usually a PDF format is the best. But some companies require other formats like MS Word, DOC or Docs. Sometimes in the job ad, it is mentioned that which format they require. So, do that accordingly. You should have both formats available at all the time. Avoid other file formats like JPG or PNG. Note, make sure that all the information provided is correct. You can download a sample resume format from the description of this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.